Hello guys, I am the Home Barista. I'm back again teaching you how to make, this time, cold brew. So someone's requested to see how cold brew is made, so here we go. So I'm using coarsely ground coffee for this. Make sure it is nice and coarsely ground. And what we're going to be doing is like a ratio of 6 to 1. So 1 part coffee, 6 parts water. So I'm just going to chuck my coffee straight into this mason jar. It's actually a cocktail shaker, but that's all I really had to use. So I'm just going to put that in, and then I'm going to start putting some water in. So I'm going to fill it about halfway first of all, and then I'm just going to give it a little stir to make sure it's incorporated so that we don't have any clumps at the bottom. Then top it off with the rest of the water, 6 to 1, 6 parts water, 1 part coffee. Then I'm going to make sure it is nicely stirred together. And here's some sexy shots of me stirring the cold brew. Okay, and now I'm just going to top it off with the lid, and then it goes into the fridge. So you can put it in for 12 hours, it will be done in 12 hours, but I'm going to leave it in for 24 because I like it to be a little bit stronger, and also you extract more caffeine if you do it that way, so it's a better start to the morning. Okay, so I'm just taking it out now the next morning, and we're going to strain it. So I'm using a V60 here with a filter paper. There are other ways you can strain it, but this is the easiest way in my opinion. So I'm just putting the coffee straight into the filter paper, and then just stir it around if you need to, just to disperse that coffee at the bottom so that it strains a little bit easier. Now be patient with this, it can take some time, but at the end it should look like that. And then throw away your filter paper, rinse out that mason jar or whatever vessel you're going to be putting your cold brew into, and then just pour it straight back in, and then you have cold brew. Now pop your lid back on and pop it in the fridge until you want to drink some delicious cold brew. So I'm just going to make some now. I'm just putting some ice into a glass, and there's a nice sexy slow-mo of me pouring some cold brew into a glass. Okay, so there we go guys, that is how to make cold brew. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you have any requests, please let me know. I am Curtis, I've been the Home Barista. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Thank you.